I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the run, are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's a limit. I one man, I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should. I look in my eyes, not the best idea. Here's no you might really love her. This is gonna be evidence. This is evidence. I try to ration, but you know murder's a crime of passion. But damn, you was out of reach. You was at the bottom, I get with your perfect peach. Now I'm in a place, man, right now on vacation. Now you play your face down, I'll be saying over. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. I'll be in there, just to tell me there's a plan. I just want you. Kill my ex, I still love you. Rather be more than alone.
Girls love Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girl, take when niggas go missing. This job here, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share of the call you up, they call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been not alone. But if you're alone, then say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you, but you ain't rocking good. Say my name, you like to catch a state of day. Baby, you want to say my name. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. Those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for blocking your phone and not coming home and start some shit when I'm in the zone. This is what I've been saying. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit was slow. I come through in whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me scream, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me. Because someone besides myself. I need someone I leave to the front door. We wanna hide no more. Rush not shy no more. Neither of us wanna put aside no more. Got alone. Nothing was the same. Get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name. No one is around you. Say baby I love you, but you ain't rocking good. Say my name. Say my name. You like to catch a state of day. Baby, you wanna say my name. 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 No one is around you.
Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, but it's wrong, girl, I know. I'm walking the night. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the water with the blind outside with the stage. It was just saying, it's that way. Turn back, it's gon' crazy. You what you respectful, yeah. If I slide, but if I just press my hands on, yeah. Spend my number, you know that nothing must be stressful. Talk the talk, but walk it back it up. You can't let go. You still treat me special, whoa, yeah. But you won't admit that. No matter what you do, I try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, that's that. That's on the time to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky, so you kick back. You know that you would be alive, you ain't missed that. Just play yes, no, and I can be waiting cause I said so.
Going, turn, I swear you're crazy. Someone that close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't my revenge. But now I get along better with your friends. And it's wrong, I know. But again, trust me, this ain't my revenge. I get along better with your friends. And it's wrong, I know. It's wrong, I know.
Yo, another day to trade. Yes, sir. Let's hop right into it. Turn off my notifications real quick. Let's see. Today's the 31st, last day of January. I want to say 31st. We made it. We was gonna survive today. We got news at 8:15 and 8:30. So it's definitely jam-packed. 8:15 and 8:30. So we got about 45 minutes or so. I know gold playing awesome right now. Let's check out the 4 hour. 4 hour, we are looking. We did pop off of this supply, 4 hour supply. Had a little play off of. Right now we're looking bearish for the most part. We have about this demand. Let's get rid of this old news here. So we don't really have anything there. The 4 hour supply all the way up here. That is very small, so I will mark that up. So the way the EMAs are looking on the 4 hour, we look bearish. So now we got a, this is the 4 hour. So we got a higher time frame take profit to shoot for. Make this solo real quick. Go up to the 1 hour. One sec, let me delete this real quick. After my trade yesterday, gold shot up. I was not expecting that at all. A little bit, but not the way it did. Alright, check out the 1 hour. It looks like it was tapped. Looks like we tapped into something minor here. But overall, we do look bearish or bullish. Buys, click to play. This is the 15 minute. We got gaps well above to fill in, so that's good. Looks like we got something. Good demand set up here. 15 minute. Like I said, we got gaps to the left to fill. Like this. I'm working that up just because that can also be a take profit. So right now we got 3 take profits up top. If we get something going bullish, we have the gaps to get filled. We have yesterday's high. We had that 4 hour supply. Jump down to the 15 minute or the 5 minute. Sorry about that. We have something. Okay, we got a nice little setup here. Let me look how we got breaks the structure. Where's it? Broke this high, and then this high got broken. And off of this high getting broken, there was a demand that actually played out a few hours ago, around 5 o'clock there. So broke the high, swooped down, broke the high, came back, tapped, wait for break a candle, which was very low, and then rest is history there. And then it just started a new trend. It's actually about not too long ago, about 30 minutes ago. It came back down, tapped that same demand. Let me do something real quick. I'm actually on to trade my other account here. I'll go ahead and close that. For the sales. Currently, yeah, I'm gonna let it run. Getting close to TP anyways. So before 7:30, it had this demand. Just gonna aim for this supply right here. had 2 back-to-back beautiful setups. Right now the supply is playing out. Boom, boom. Looking at it, we are in a 5-minute. Our EMAs are showing range. Our small EMAs are showing range, but we're above our 200 there. With that being said, not a quite clear direction. The only bear or any bias we do have is bullish. So we got something here. It's just if we do tap that zone, we gotta be careful because it already played off of a couple. We got 1, 2, 3. This will be the 4th one. Feels like, do you really think we're gonna get a new breaker structure to the downside? Or do you think this 4th one has possibility of playing out? So when we get there, we'll make that decision. Place a quick alarm here. Someone else ain't going nuts. Check on NAS real quick. NAS look like it melted all London session. So with that in mind, look for sales. I think when New York comes, it's either going to be continuation on down, or we could reverse, fill these gaps to the left, or we can just range and start going up, down, up, down. NAS has been moving a lot this week, I will say. Some good movements on NAS, and today being Wednesday, no, not really sure how it's going to move there. We got that marked up, just keep an eye on that. NAS didn't quite come back to the zone yet. These spreads are crazy right now. So it looks like something's cooking up. I got my phone propped up here on the side, just looking at my other trade, which is here, but I don't really want people pocket watching them all like that, you feel me? But I will say, this was my entry right here. Break a candle, this one. We're all the way down here, so we're clearly in profit. However, spreads has it all the way up here. So we're like at break even, if not negative. And TP is somewhere down here. Stop loss, of course, above this. Earlier I did take this buy right here. Came down in the zone, took the buy, went up. I don't know where TP is. Okay, so TP is right where we needed to go. So today we're going to be extra patient with news being at 8:30. And it looks like we already got some setups that played out. So keep that in mind. How many demand setups do you think we'll get before we get a fake out or a, something different? I wouldn't be surprised if we start ranging. Start ranging around this area. Just because the news is so close. But for our sake, the earlier we can get in, the earlier we can get out before we have to go through it. In that case, we can just leave runners. We'll get a 1-1 and leave that runner. With that being said as well, after reflection of yesterday, I moved my, at that time, probably won't come down that candle. So I was able to get in this trade here. I moved my stop loss to my break-even point up here. You know, I could have moved it like lower. So I just noted to myself, reminder that when I place my runners, to leave it just at the break-even mark. The reason I'm saying that out loud is just to remind you to always reflect and review your trades to see how you could have done better. So I left it at just the first break-even mark. It would have came down, never tapped me, and that would have ate off that big move there. But I was too worried about trying to get that win back. I didn't want to come back to that break-even mark or the loss back. It was okay. Live, learn, live. Now we're prepped, ready for that next one. So again, right now, gold's looking bullish. I wonder if actually spreads are wicked right now. I get along with it right there. Let's do a little bit more analysis. See what could kind of expect. So we reacted off a supply here with no clean brick or structure. So it's 1 supply, 2 supply, 3 supply, and 1, 2. So it's ranging. The closest thing I can say is ranging. Exactly what the emails are telling us. Because we're reacting off of supplies, and we're reacting off of demands. It's starting to look like a triangle here. Now, I don't do breakouts or anything, but just to show. Kind of getting that right there. Everything's just bouncing within that little tunnel there. Wish y'all could see it happening for news, before news. and news at 8:15 or around that 8 o'clock. When stuff starts picking back up, it'll be that breakout. With both news being so close, we'll see how they react. Same thing, possibly, like anything could happen. One news might shoot down, another one might shoot up. Both might shoot down, both might shoot up. I'm not really too familiar with those losers. Both might be whack. Both might shake the world, you know. I probably gotta take it out with some spreads. Yeah, there we go. Or they took it out. So the spreads, boy. Spreads are outrageous. Yeah. Here. Gold rolls up. I'm sick and tired of gold doing this, I'm not gonna lie. Came close to our area, didn't tap, but decided to leave us. Let me double check on here. Yup. What did it do? Come close to our area. Doesn't tap and go right into favor. Little demand there. Not really, I was gonna mark it up, but just for the sake that there is a 15 and a 5 minute. Just note that there is a little, because the way the price is moving right now. Hopefully, we'll see how it would look. When I usually look at the charts at a higher time frame, I just stare at it. I try to imagine how the candles will print. It's like, how could I see? It's like this made sense to me. It's made like an N, lowercase n. Now it'd be a little weird for it to make another lowercase n, because these candles are bigger. I can see what can be beneath this and then going back up. So we're in that range area again. Hopefully we get a break retest, which we're right at that mark. I was hoping we were right at the mark. If you wanted to break this, that'd be dope if 8:15 news break through that, or 8 o'clock. Break through that, create a demand, 8:15 news, 8:30 news. Do not feel confident more taking it. So I'm looking for a break and retest to aim for 1/3 TPs. But we continue in the uptrend, so that's good. We don't have any We got like breaker structures here. I want this structure to get broke. So go ahead and do that before you come in town, you know, into our zone. Yesterday, if you follow me on social media, caught out that Nash trade. That was a beaut, I'm not gonna lie. Ended up hopping in that myself. Came up, came down. I don't even see, did I take this? I don't even remember this. I'm not gonna lie to you. That looked nuts. I just took this. I don't even remember marking this up. I'm not even gonna lie there. I took that one though. This one that one look crazy. Oh, I did take this because I took it to. Okay, yeah. I took it to like right here or something like that. There was something to the left. I was aiming for. Look at that, let's go. Go. Hey, check out the XAU. XAU is consolidating, probably gearing up for news. We got a supply here with this. So with this going up and down, I believe to go is gonna go down and then up. Perfect. That's what we wanted to do. I think go to hit that supply, maybe deep into the area. Nas, you got Nas coming into that. What's that 5 minute there? Check out the 15 minute. Okay, so you get a 5 minute, a 15 minute, and a 5. Good take profit to reach for. Possible setup. This may also play out to be a break and retest. You may start wicking here or somewhere in this area. Hopefully it reaches that zone. Make things easier. We got about 5 minutes and 10 seconds to 8 o'clock. Until then, I'll just sit back, relax. Get a little warm, and it's a little cold. So put it on a quick hold real quick, and we don't got nothing much going on. Got about 4 minutes, so I'll be right back.
I wish that we could change places. Go on my boo, fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go build no life without me, cause you're my distance. Oh, and I don't wanna go unless you make me. Lately I've been gone, don't feel crazy. Yeah, I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. Say time I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. say time. I'm full of tricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you doing.
Alright, had to go get gangy real quick. Just I know it's about to be a slow morning. Niggas probably shooting up and down. Little disclaimer. Gold comes and taps that area, search rejects hard. I probably will get in aggressive. So I'll give that little pre-warning. So that when we get there, people know, you know. See what this 8 candle. This 8 candle. See what this 8 candle has to present. Kinda excited, I'm not gonna lie. It's been a minute since I've seen 8:15 and 8:30 news. I'm surprised to see what 8 o'clock does. Because there really should be motion. I'm expecting motion around 8 o'clock. And 8:10. So that means 8:05 minus will throw something out there as well. But if 8 o'clock is slow, then maybe 8:05 will start to, well, the way that this candle's moving, I can see 8 o'clock starting to move a little bit. The liquidity starting to gear in. This has been tough. Close to our zone. I'm showing too much. Gonna show me. Reel it back in real quick. Pull this out. So we didn't even get a zone tap. I don't know which one is easier to see off of, but we did not get a tap zone. There we go. Now we got a tap zone. I got an aggressive entry in sight. Or aggressive entry is probably gonna be this candle right here. Spread's got us in a little trash there. That's alright. Stop loss is very, very small, which I'm not complaining. How can I? How do I? There we go. So much for that. Yeah, it was, say about a $200 loss. Right with that. Let's mark that up real quick. I didn't like the spreads got sitting up here. I did not like that. I was gonna go for minimum one. No. What am I shooting for? This first trade. 131. Make this a little cool. I'm gonna call it not a perfect trade just because I could have got in. It's a little better. Just because it wasn't the most beautiful setup. I probably like that. Got an aggressive at 8. I knew the liquidity that came with it. One time. Alright, we got one more trade in us. And only one more trade in us and only one trade presenting itself. 2 trades presenting itself. I got an aggressive entry in sight. Just hit. Trade number 2. That's like the liquidity grab coming off the 200. The reason I jumped off this one, jumped out to 200, seeing that we had a liquidity grab opportunity, and it passed my aggressive entry. My aggressive entry was here. I like to go out to the most recent swing lower high to the left. It's like when I was getting an aggressive here, this was the most recent swing low. So I know I had to tap the zone and come up there. That's the bottom of the candle, not the wick. Let's get these posts. Keep eye on time. Got a little bit of time here. So on MetaTrader, we're below all our EMAs, but on TradingView, we popped off at 200. So we need this to fight through this 200 on MetaTrader. Give me some good confidence there. So overall, I said I do believe we're bullish. So hopefully this is the bullish pull. If so, and like I said earlier, we actually have news, so we'll be careful for that. And then if we do go down, I like that my 200 is there. So it's one of those, like if it goes down that low, I won't just hop out. I know if it goes down that low, we could possibly reject off for 200 on the TradingView again. DXY is consolidating. So we're just looking purely off of gold here. I'm liking this trade more than the one before. Let's see. Got news in 5 minutes. The first 2 minutes of this candle should be alright, and the first 3 should be alright. Last 2 would probably start getting wicked there. I like the DXY being below its EMAs, so hopefully get a little push up here. Hopefully our EMAs on gold look exactly how the DXY's EMAs look on our 2 different accounts. How this candle starts reacting around this area will kind of signal. So maybe we got support there. So if we're towards the end of the candle, that's where it also gets hard. Because I hope towards the end it rejects, or towards the end it may reject hard. This trade's a little over 1%. I don't know why I'm keep smiling on this. This trade's over 1%. So I know that if I lose more than one, I'm accepting that risk. 2 minutes left on this candle. Before we start to see volume come in. Looking for the gold liquidity grab right here on our 15-minute. So I know we got gold, so I'm 100% taking the risk here. I'm alright with the risk. Following news about to care in 1 minute. I know what that risk could be. Could be looking at 1 to 2%, maybe with slippage. But I'm alright with that loss. I could take that, and I could get that back easy. And if we win, we win, you know. Seconds. If we get a rejection, 10 seconds. Like this. Oh Lord. I was not expecting that. I'm gonna close both those positions. That caught me off guard, I'm not gonna lie to you. I just closed both of those. I was not expecting that big flip like that. I'm not even gonna lie. I closed both of those, just the way stuff started to move. Golly. It scared the life out of me, no lie. Usually it's a little slower than that, but safe to say that boy came through crazy. Alright, let's see. That was great. I should have aimed for that high. Don't know why I didn't. Sorry. Just gonna walk away with that. Take a breather there. Keep emotions in check. Smiling. I'm about trying to keep those. Just lock in real quick. So liquidity grab. Push by news. What I can. I accepted the risk. Looking back at it, I could say, man, I should have stayed in, but seeing that price action, the way it just shot like that, I didn't want it to shoot up and then come down. I didn't want a liquidity grab up here and reverse when we crazy. Well, that concludes my month for real. Nice little trade to end the month though. I'm gonna stay till 8:30. I got nothing else to really watch. No, I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna show you these marked up zones. Possibly could play off of. So we do have a breaking candle there. The way this candle might close, it might jip you there. So you got boom and boom you can play off of. See how nice I survived that. Nas had no emotion. Maybe 8:30 it'll smooth. It did tap that area though. It did tap that zone we're waiting for. That's what I mean by be more selective. I have a note card in front of my screen. Probably can't read it. I'm gonna show you real quick. It's just a reminder. It says two things: be more selective and be more patient. Try to read that before every trade or every morning. And I'm not gonna lie. Of course, the one morning I didn't read it. Kind of see how that played out. Cause I was being more selective, being more patient. I would have passed up on that first trade, and then I'd be looking at Nas real quick. Nas to possibly come down here. But I exhausted that trade. Now I'm just watching from the sidelines there. I'm not gonna break my rules and take an extra trade there. I've literally lost one all month. But that was a good win. About a 1%. Yeah, a little bit over 1%. It is good. What else should I look for? What am I down total? So I'm down a little less than 1%. We can do that. With that being said, in 1 month, we gain 3%, 3.5%. Yeah, that's pretty good returns. S&P and all that, takes like 8% a year or something like that. I'm made probably much about half of what they made in the first month of the year. So we'll take those returns gladly. I actually would not mark that up, I'm not gonna lie. Tomorrow's Thursday. First trade of the year. Not of the year, first trade of the month. Take my time for sure. Today and tonight I'll probably do a review. This with myself, see how the month did. I can finally make my chart. Gotcha. We got 9 minutes. I'm gonna show you how. I'll show you that real quick. Turn the screen. So for every month, let's see. January. I don't know why they're trying to. Gotta be 3D. Background color. Background color goes off of, let me do it a little, switch it up a little bit. I forget what color, I think I used this color. Yeah. So that's W, my L's right. It's just dark red. So, let me make sure I'm doing, not missing anything. But that's right. Background color, so we had that month. Obviously we had a good month, positive month. Pretty good. And it shows you at the end of the year I'll have like a big, let's see if I can show you last year's. I have a big like calendar. Last year I didn't trade like the first quarter because of stuff like this, honestly. See how that's playing out. Put this over here. So I have this, and then when I get some more information, some more months, I'll have like a year one. So my total trades. So this month we took 17 trades, 9 wins, 11 losses. The 52.9% win rate. My goal working on this year is to see a lot of green months. So if I have a lot of green months, and then I'm also making sure that my wins are greater than my losses, then it's kind of hard for me to lose. You get more wins than losses, and you make it, because I had it. I'm not gonna lie, I had months where I had more losses than wins. My wins were greater, so I was still profitable. I think a 40% win rate, but I was still, up green for the month. But I also had months where I had more wins than losses, and my risk management wasn't there, and I had a negative month. So that's why now I'm focusing on having a green month altogether, a green week. If I have green weeks, I'm gonna have a green month, so I'll focus on that. And then just having a good risk management, and that's why I just stay with, real quick, you got a break of entry here on NAS. I don't know why I'm not taking this on my burner account. Not burner, but other account there. Especially something slight. Entry on NAS, set up there. Look, if you do have gaps below, but you're high, very, very high. Kind of like hoping this for be the pullback. I just hop in it, see how it plays out for sure. And news in 4 minutes. Careful there. But what I was saying is I'm focusing on green weeks, green months. If I can, green days. So far we had, I believe, nothing but green days. Alright, so the 9th is when we had a green or a red day. So we only had one red day. Nope, we had one the 18th. So we had 2 red days this whole month, which I'll take. Now I know in my head, if I have 2 or less red days, I'm doing good. I don't even remember those red days. I want to see the news real quick. What was I doing on the 9th? I think that's the. What day was this? That was my second trade. Oh, okay. I was tweaking that day, yeah. So I tried to get a re-entry. Looks like NAS may play out. Gold, you got something coming your way. You got setups, but you got news. You got setups and you got news. So what do you do? You know. I'm liking gold. I'd rather gold still. I can't say that because it did take the low and the high. Took the low and high, so it's not really in a clear trend there. But I'd look at it as it took liquidity and then it grabbed the high, and then it came back, and so that's where that lifted demand. So I'd rather take that. But yes, I got this evil smile on my face because you know I'm finna hop in. Look up and see what my sneeze there. Let's see, we got 45 seconds left. Let's see what start popping off. Place your bids. This is a tricky one. All week gold has been pushing trades in the favor. We got 2 setups on each of our pairs here. Some tells me one's gonna play out, the other's not. For everybody's sake out there, I hope they both play out. And that's what scared me, I'm not gonna lie. That's what scared me more than gold. It's just I know. There we go. Kind of just what I just said. I rather thought gold was going to play out more than Nas there. Exactly what happened. Nas took you out and validated that zone as well. So it cooked you there. Gold, back-to-back gold, or back-to-back news wins. Gold just blessing today, I see. With that being said, I believe I did check the trade on my other account. What am I looking for? I'm not. I got in, got out. Go Nas with a nice, possibly liquidity grab. Did wick off. Let's get rid of this so we can see. I think it came all the way up here. That was a good TP to have. Yeah, gold was most definitely more superior setup here. Took liquidity, breaker structure, gap had a gap in between, tapped the gap, and you got a high to break. Gold had a nice setup. Now you can possibly mark this up. You get a play off of it. It might start exhausting. Let me see. The trade doesn't even came in yet. Alright. Well, we see how news went. Good day. Hopefully you hopped in my second trade, not my first one. hopefully hopped in these 2 trades. See, this would have been bangers. If I had been more patient, I would have not hopped in ass probably either. I would have had, I don't know why I'm saying that so late. I would have had both of these guild setups on my account. Would have ran a bag up. Would have been positive right now. Big positive. But that's why we gotta be more selective, be more patient on our trades. We got one more day of the week. News has been exhausting all week. And we got NFP Friday. So tomorrow we're gonna see what we get. You know, we might not get much as it starts to gear up for Friday. Or we might get a lot as it starts to gear up for Friday. So we'll just keep an eye on that. Good day. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.